Good morning, children. Today we are going to study one chapter from your English book Hornbill. And the chapter which we will study today, the name of that chapter is We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together. This chapter is about bravery and courage of a family. The family of 4 members. The head of the family is Gordon Cook, his wife Mary, children Jonathan and Suzanne. They decided to make a voyage of the world, or you can say around the world. And why they decided this thing? Why they decided to make a voyage around the world? It was simply because of eagerness, because they took this decision in 1976. I mean, the family of Gordon Cook, they decided to make the voyage in 1976, and just before 200 years, James Cook also made a similar voyage around the world. So this family was also inspired by the act or by the voyage of James Cook, and they also decided to duplicate the voyage around the world. And for this purpose, to make the voyage around the world, they designed a ship, a professional ship, and they named that ship Wave Walker. So the name of their ship in which they were supposed to make the voyage around the world was Wave Walker. That ship, as I told you already, was professionally designed, and that ship was ready to face all the obstacles, all the difficulties which they were supposed to face during their voyage. And to make this voyage, to make this journey a successful one, they had hired, or you can say that they were supported by 2 crew members also. One was Mr. Vigil and the other was Mr. Segler. So these 2 people were there to help them in the voyage. They started their voyage from England. In England, one place is there, Plymouth. So they started their voyage from Plymouth. And the first part of their voyage was very peaceful. There was no danger, there was no risk. And from Plymouth to Cape Town, the distance was more than 1 lakh kilometers. And they traveled this distance without much problems and obstacles. They reached Cape Town. The distance was more than 1 lakh kilometer. And after traveling this distance of 1 lakh kilometer, they reached Cape Town. When they reached Cape Town, they were knowing that after Cape Town, the journey ahead, the voyage ahead was full of difficulties and problems, because they were going to enter the most dangerous and the toughest ocean in the world, and that ocean is the Indian Ocean. So in the course of their voyage, they celebrated Christmas also. As you know that Christmas falls in December, 25th of December. So their problem is started, or you can say the grave problem or the serious problem is started after the Christmas 25th of December. It was 2nd of January. And on 2nd of January, since morning, the family saw high waves in the Indian Ocean. Sometimes the waves or sea waves were so high that they were equal to the mast of the ship Wavewalker. Sometimes the waves were higher than 15 meters. So anyhow, whole day they fought against the waves of the sea. But the problem became more serious in evening near about 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. There were gigantic waves and the wind speed was also very high. And suddenly there was some explosion, and because of that explosion, the writer, the author, was thrown back on the deck of the ship, and he suffered severe injuries also. There was injury in his rib, there was injury in his leg, means in nutshell you can say that he was seriously injured. But then also he did not lose his courage, and he took the situation in his control, and he tried his best to manage the ship and to save all the family members. So the courage which was shown that day by the author or by Gordon Cook, that was extraordinary.